2018 Jeep Cherokee posts just average gas mileage. With a 4-barrel motor and 9-speed programmed in its toolbox, the 2018 Jeep Cherokee still posts just mediocre mileage evaluations. In view of its EPA-appraised economy, it's a 6 here. A 2.4-liter inline-4 powers a large number of the lower-valued Cherokee hybrid SUVs. At the point when it's arranged with front-wheel drive, the 4-chamber Cherokee checks in at 21 miles per gallon city, 30 roadway, 25 joined. With its more fundamental all-wheel drive framework, the numbers tumble to 21/28 23rds of a mile per gallon. With the more rough active drive 2 setup, it loses 1 mile per gallon on the interstate cycle. V6 Cherokees with front-wheel drive are evaluated at 21/29 24ths of a mile per gallon. With all-wheel drive, they are pegged at 20/27 23rds of a mile per gallon. The further developed active drive 2 framework with the V6 gathers EPA evaluations of 18/26 21ths of a mile per gallon. These V6 models accompany stop, begin, which kills the motor at stoplights and other long delays, for the sake of sparing gas. With the Trailhawk display, the Jeep Cherokee 4-chamber posts EPA evaluations of 19/25 22seconds of a mile per gallon. V6 Trailhawks? They're set at 18/24 21ths of a mile per gallon. Heavier check weights represent the Trailhawk's slower numbers. The accessible 3.2-liter V6 turns in a solid 271 horsepower and 239 pounds-to-foot of torque, however it includes weight. It's north of 4,000 pounds in some trim levels, yet conveys on refinement and sure, brisk speeding up. V6 Cherokees additionally have stop, begin, however mileage is certainly not an eminently solid point. The two motors convey energy to the wheels by means of a 9-speed programmed, organized with a few low riggings for good remove, a trio of overdrive gears, and a modest bunch of mid-extend gears. The extensive variety of proportions extricates bounty even from the inline-4, yet we've watched some jerky apparatus changes and deferred upshifts. Coordinate control over apparatuses as move-ors would help. Something else, the most ideal approach to control the Cherokee's transmission is to slip it into sport mode, where it hones its reactions to what we consider ordinary range. The Cherokee can be evaluated to tow up to 4,500 pounds. Combined with its rough terrain capacity, that makes it the main Swiss Army cut in the hybrid SUV cabinet. There's nothing plainly lively or open about its taking care of, however the Cherokee has unsurprising behavior. The directing conveys excessively weight and little criticism, however it's precise even with all-season tires. The Cherokee rides well, as well, however the Trailhawk's rough terrain tires and ground freedom are better at dousing up horrendous extensive street than art-based Cherokees with Traveler Auto tires.